everyone, welcome. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. I do appreciate it. Today's an open house video. We do have a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom colony patio villa. List price $299,900. We are located in the village of Summer Hill. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Here I am, standing in the village of Summer Hill. We do have a wood-framed colony patio villa. List price $299,900. This home has many upgrades. It has no bond. It has a new water heater. It has a new roof in 2020. And you will see as we go inside many upgrades. The front of this home does face north. The back of the home faces south. I will take a panoramic view of the street. That is facing east. And that is facing west. You can see it is in a very quiet neighborhood here in the village of Summer Hill. If you have any questions about this home, you can contact the showing agent, Anne-Marie Price, with Realty Executives, or you can contact the listing agent, Liss Cartagena, right here at 352-877-1855. That is your listing agent. You can see this home does have a 1.5 car garage. It is a wood-framed home. Landscaping is in very good condition. As I walk up to the front of this house, you do see some stone landscaping here. You do have a screened-in lanai. I believe the dimensions are 10 feet by 10 feet on that lanai. The outside of this home appears to be in very good condition. Let's take a look at this lanai. You can see it has a stone surface over the concrete. Very good condition, very high ceilings. Off to the side of the home, I will show you, these patio villas do have a side patio that will lead into your living and dining area. That is the back of the home there, friends. Let's go inside and take a look. Hello, Anne-Marie. Can you tell us a little more about this home?
Thanks so much for the introduction. I appreciate it. I'm Anne-Marie Price with Realty Executives. It's so great to be here today to share with you this beautiful patio villa here in Sumter, Amelia Villas. It is a 1,156 square foot home. It is a really special 2-2 that has been completely updated. It is absolutely stunning. He gave you all the details on all the updates earlier. So enjoy the tour.
Thank you, Anne-Marie. I will show my guests the rest of this home. Here I am, standing in the foyer area, and the first thing I notice is this beautiful luxury vinyl plank floor. This home is neutrally painted as well. It has extra high ceilings with knockdown texture on the ceiling as well. Off to the right, as you see in all your colony patio villas, you do see an L-shaped kitchen area. It has a granite countertop, a stone tile backsplash. It also has a tile floor. It has white cabinets with brushed stainless hardware, stainless appliances as well. It does have a natural gas stove and a very large stainless single bowl sink. Off to the right, you do see an island with a granite countertop as well. It has a solar tube right there in the ceiling. This is your pantry right here in the kitchen. Very large pantry closet. It also has inside laundry right behind these bifold doors. That is your inside laundry area. It does have cabinets above the laundry as well. Off to the front of the house, you do see a 1.5 car garage, concrete floors, You do see some cabinets in here. That is your mechanicals right there. That is the area you would park your golf cart. Does have a sink in the garage you can use to wash up after you do your gardening. Let's take a tour through the rest of this home. Those shaker style cabinets in the kitchen are awesome. They just struck me as being very, very nice. To the back of the home, you have 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. This is a guest bathroom. It has tile floors, awesome cabinets, granite countertop. It has a shower and tub combination that is plastic or fiberglass. Very high ceilings. The knockdown texture continues. In this hallway, you do have a storage closet right there. Off to the back of the home, you do see the luxury vinyl plank floors continuing in this bedroom. This is a guest bedroom. You do have raised panel sliding doors on the closet. That is your closet there. Very neutral paint. This home does have extra high ceilings as well. Off to the back of this home, you do see a primary bedroom. Luxury vinyl plank floors continuing, knockdown texture on the ceilings. It has extra wide base molding as well. This is your primary closet. You can see the luxury vinyl plank floor continues in the closet. Very high ceilings. This closet does wrap around. Let's take a walk and look at the primary bathroom. It does have tile floors, granite countertops on that vanity. It does have a 48-inch shower that is plastic or fiberglass on that shower there. Here you do have the commode space right there as well. Vent fan. Let's exit this home and walk back out to the street. And I was told that those are solid wood cabinets in the kitchen. This is an awesome home. I will video the specification sheet. This home is located at 3621 Amelia Avenue in the Villages, the village of Summerhill. No bond. Bathrooms remodeled in 2024, new roof in 2020. That is your specification. I will turn it over to show you the room dimensions. It does have comparables as well. Let's now exit this home. I'll give you one last view of that kitchen space and the living room space. Very awesome. Back out to the street. I will give you one last panoramic view of the street. Feel free to share the videos with anyone you feel is interested in this home. As always, friends, if you have more questions about the home, contact your listing agent, Liss at Realty Executives. And there you have it, friends. 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom colony patio villa, wood-framed home in the village of Summerhill, offered at $299,900 with many updates. Thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing. Have a great day, everyone. Take care.